Is your child preparing for a music aptitude test or looking to apply for a music scholarship place? We're Ashley and Bea from Ashby Music, and we've helped students across the UK develop the listening skills needed to succeed in music aptitude tests and gain places at selective schools. Music Aptitude Mastery is our complete digital course designed to prepare students for every aspect of the test. The course begins with an overview of how music aptitude tests work and introduces the 4 key areas every student needs to master. These are pitch, melody, texture, and rhythm. In the pitch module, students learn how sound works, how our ears process music, and how to recognize differences between different intervals. In the melody module, they'll develop their musical memory and learn to identify changes in melodies with confidence. In the texture module, they'll discover how to hear multiple notes at once, recognize different chord sizes, and develop the listening skills needed for one of the most challenging parts of the test. In the rhythm module, students learn to feel, hear, and remember rhythms using practical techniques, visualization, and listening exercises. The course also includes realistic mock tests so students can practice under test conditions and feel fully prepared before exam day. For schools that include Stage 2 assessments, we've also added specialist training in aural perception, melodic echoing, rhythm echoing, musical character, and instrument recognition. Every module includes downloadable handouts, guided exercises, and on-screen answers so students can track their progress as they learn. Best of all, you'll receive lifetime access, allowing your child to learn anytime, anywhere, and revisit lessons whenever they need extra practice. If you're looking for a structured, proven way to prepare for the Music Aptitude Test, Music Aptitude Mastery is here to help. Click the link below to find out more and get started today.